If you own and drive a car, typical wear and tear on the interior is inevitable. Nevertheless, there are some things you can do to prevent unnecessary damage from sun exposure, spills, and scratches. Whether you have a four-legged friend who sheds or a kid who loves throwing cereal, car seat covers can help protect your vehicle from avoidable damage. Plus, they can give your car, truck, or SUV a custom look while maintaining its resale value. We have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. BDK PolyPro. The BDK PolyPro, $26, is the number 1 best seller on Amazon for car seat covers. And for a good reason. This is a matching set of 5 covers, so you get protection for your entire car at a highly affordable price. This set comes equipped with 2 front seat covers, covers for detachable headrests, and a backseat bench cover. Depending on your preferences, you can go for a more neutral look with solid gray, charcoal gray, solid beige, or solid black. Or you can venture to the wild side with colors such as red, purple, pink, or mint green. The construction consists of a polyester blend, a highly breathable and durable material that does not hold odors. They have foam backing that keeps them securely in place on most seats. Best of all, these covers are machine washable. Advertised as having a universal fit, they should match most cars, SUVs, trucks, and vans. Number 2. FH Group Fabric Seat Covers. This fabric seat cover set from FH Group comes with 2 front covers, 1 rear bench cover, and 4 covers for a removable headrest. The polyester material and foam padding is machine washable, and FH Group recommends air drying the covers to maintain the proper fit and durability. The design is specifically meant for cars that have detachable headrests and a backbench seat. These covers, $35, come in many colors, from solid black to electric green, so you can pick the color you want. These covers should fit across most vehicle types. To make certain before purchasing, refer to the dimensions in the product description. You can easily watch an installation video on the product page for a seamless fitment. In short, these covers are comfortable, easy to install, stylish, and affordable. Number 3. Oasis Auto Seat Covers. Nappa leather seat covers by Oasis Auto will take your car to a whole new level of excellence and style. The covers are made of high-quality full-grain leather and come in tan, black, burgundy, and black with red accents. The back seat cover comes with an expandable 3-piece cushion, allowing it to fit most vehicles that have a bottom cushion measuring less than 57 inches. While Oasis Auto covers, $170, are thick, making for exceptional protection, you'll still feel the warmth of your seat heater in the winter months. You can refer to the Oasis Auto installation video for a straightforward and user-friendly installation. Depending on your preference, you can purchase a pair for the front seats or as a complete set. The company offers universal fit and custom fit car seat covers. Protect your car and have the most coveted car interior of all time by using these seat covers. Number 4. Luckyman Club. The amazing diamond quilting and sleek style of these synthetic leather seat covers from Luckyman Club are available for 2 seats or a full set. The waterproof material comes in several designs. Black is the primary color, with the choice of 2 colored accents, or you can choose gray. The product, $168, claims to be resistant to scratches and easily cleaned by simply using a wet towel. In terms of safety features, they are airbag compatible and easy to use with your car's safety buckles. The front seats come equipped with a rear-facing divided storage pocket. Checking fitment with specific makes and models of cars, trucks, and SUVs is crucial. You can find a full list of compatible vehicles on the Amazon product page. Hands down, these are an excellent choice if you're looking for leather seat covers that feel and look natural. Number 5. FH Group Combo. Are you looking for a tasteful yet vibrant pop of color for your car's interior? Consider these car seat covers from FH Group that include options like purple, orange, green, or blue. If you're not ready to take a walk on the wild side, they come in several modest colors, including beige/black, solid black, and gray/black. This set, $38, includes 1 rear bench cover, 2 front seat covers, 1 steering wheel cover, 4 seat belt pads, and 5 headrest covers. All of which will ensure protection against surface wear. The material is made of stretchy, strong, and machine-washable fabric. The thin foam layer across the covers allows the warmth to pass through from the seat heater. For the back seats, the back seat cover and bottom bench cover are separate to accommodate children's car seats. Along with that, these covers have zippers that allow you to fold down the seats and access your cup holders. The front covers also have a back storage pouch. They have a semi-universal fit accommodating a wide range of cars, trucks, and SUVs. Finally, the design of these covers is airbag compatible so that you can rest easy knowing safety isn't compromised while maintaining the value of your car's interior. Number 6. Gorla waterproof seat covers. This car seat cover from Gorla is 100% waterproof and sweatproof. First, it is important to note that this sells as a single cover for a front seat. That being said, it's perfect for keeping your car seats dry and clean after any kind of workout. The material also protects against water, pet fur, spills, dirt, and daily wear and tear. The non-slip seat cover has secure backing and a content fit that keeps it snugly in place. The neoprene cover, the same material used in wetsuits, helps protect against stains and spills while still being comfortable to sit on. With that, you don't need to worry about the material sticking to you if you are wet or sweaty. The seat cover, $45, also comes with an included seatbelt cover. If unsatisfied, Gorla offers a money-back guarantee that never expires.